implement instructional strategies. After we teach, nag-observe tayo, we have to monitor learner responses. Saan activities sila nila? Bakit yung evaluation ko 5 items lang, ang dami nakabos? O kunti yung naka 100%. Identify for that identify successes and challenges, mga problema encountered during your instruction. And then the last one, you will be doing refinement of just strategies for better learning outcome. Dan, observe, reflect, revise, balik ulit kayo sa plan. So, okay? So, ganyan yung trabaho natin as teacher. Okay? Next. How we are going to reflect to our this is our third question. Okay?
Leia, go there.
What worked well in my lesson?
Okay. One.
Kahit gaano kaganda ang lesson mo, kung konti lang ang struggle ng learners mo sa mga activities na pinay mo,
Oh my God.
questionable po yun.
Wait, writing.
Okay? Kailangan pag-aralan natin. Which learners, ano pong nangyari? Sir, ayan, kumali po ito natin. Hindi pa po? Okay po. Hindi pa lang natin PowerPoint. Hindi pa po? Okay. Ay, yan po. Okay na po. Which learners struggle and why? During your instruction, sino yung mga nahihirapan ng mga estudyante mo at bakit po? Nag-try mo po ba? Kailan na sila? O